guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are still doing well. So for today's shoot, I thought I'd show you guys a behind the scenes look of a picture I'm creating for Instagram, and the focus is mainly on things that are red. That's why my lips are red. I have strawberries, and I'm gonna hang up a poster behind me that is red. And I will show you guys how I take the pictures and how I edit them in Photoshop. So as you guys can tell, I just hung up a poster board behind me, and I got this from Walmart for about 99 cents. This is a great alternative for a backdrop, especially if you want to switch up your colors for different projects, and it won't put a hole in your wallet. Just remember, when you're taking your own pictures, you can take your time, have some fun, and don't take it too seriously. I promise you the pictures will come out better if you are not stressed. So I brought my picture into Photoshop and I'm fixing the background. I'm getting rid of the wall and the tape on the picture, and I'm also going to do some basic skin retouching and color correction. If you guys would like a video on how I retouch skin, let me know in the comments below. If not, I hope you guys enjoy this speed edit. Something completely different from what I had on in the video. It's because it's a different day. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you for watching my video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like, please subscribe to me so I can continue to make awesome content for you guys. Instagram username is Beka's Life. I'll see you guys next time.